What's going on, guys? Scotty with Millermarine. Monday afternoon blues. It's funny how sometimes some stuff comes in pairs. We're getting the blue boat wrapped up, hung the motor. Remember, this boat sank. Motor was fine though, from what the customer told us. Well, the motor's locked up. It's been sitting, obviously took in a little bit of water. Plugs look fine. One of them has a tidbit of green. Yeah, it's got a little bit of green. So unfortunately, motor's locked up. So resubmitted an insurance company. I think the guy's gonna get a new 200 for the boat. So we'll see about that. And then we got this guy. Motor, I think it's a 2017. Low hours, which is what the problem is. And number 4, cylinder number 4 has 0 pounds of compression. 200, 200, 200, zippo, 0. So, yeah, so we had to make 2 good phone calls today. We're getting this one going, de-rigging it, gonna pull the motor. This one's getting a brand new 115 and all new rigging. And we're also gonna do some glass work and pull the batteries, pull this. These are gonna replace, pull the speakers, and the console's gonna get glassed down. So that's what we got going here. This one's waiting on a fuel pump, back ordered. Haven't heard from the client yet on that one. I'll call him. And then this one is in for service and get running, has been ran in a year, so probably go through this thing as well. Jeff's got his project, Maverick fixing the keel. So, and then tomorrow's another day. Got a good guy, Aaron, out there, mobile welder, putting some holes in our forks for our forklift. So it'll be a little more safer moving boats around. So that's what we got going on, guys. Catch you later.